Tired of pepper waste? Learn how to freeze them for delicious meals year-round. Today, we are showing you the best way to freeze peppers, preserving their flavor and texture for the future use. First, pick the perfect peppers. Look for firm red ones. Any type will work, but bell peppers are popular choices, so we're gonna use them today. Wash them thoroughly and remove the stem. You can chop, slice, or even freeze them whole. You can freeze peppers in two ways. First, pack them into freezer-safe bags. In our case, we will use food bags. Squeezing out as much air as possible. Second, use airtight containers. Remember to label and date everything. Freeze peppers in meal-sized portions for easy cooking. Always label your container clearly. The best part? You can often use frozen peppers straight from the freezer. And there you have it. You have just unlocked the secret of preserving delicious peppers. Try it out and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like or unlike, comment and subscribe for more kitchen hacks. I will be happy to hear them and read them all. Bye.